You are only as great as the trials you've faced and the fire you've walked through. Potential isn't found in comfort. It's forged in the moments you choose to rise. This is me rising, and this is my moment for the qualifier interview rounds. Thank you for being a part of my journey. Thank you for your support and your partnership. Indeed, it's not what you achieve, it's what you overcome that defines your defining career moment. Stepping up, forging into greatness through adversity. This is